Siddharth Nath Singh of the BJP, Sanjay Jha of the Congress, Vinod Mehta of the Outlook Group, M.R. Venkatesh, right-leaning chartered accountant from Chennai, Naresh Gujral of the Shiromani Akali Dal. Sanjay Jha, do you yourself believe that files can just go missing in a case as big as Colgate?
Arnab, let me tell you that Mr. Jaiswal has clearly stated that the majority of the files that have not been traced relate to the period between 1993 to 2004. And during this period, I think for a considerable period, 6 years of that crucial phase, when 33 coal blocks were allocated, were done under the NDA regime. I can tell you with great confidence here that 157 files, which is a majority of the files which are missing, relate to the time when Mr. Shahnawaz Hussain of the BJP and Uma Bharti, part of the NDA.
So what is that argument hold? What is the point you're making? That are you trying to tell the BJP? No, one second. Are you trying to tell the BJP representative of the program that, by the way, we also managed to get your files missing? So if you've done any hanky-panky, you shouldn't be complaining now because, your mistakes will also be covered up by us. Is that your line of argument, Sanjay? Then you make it directly. Is that what you're saying?
Not at all. In fact, Arnab, I'm glad you asked me that question because after the UPA government came into power, we started with a transparent system of the screening committee. Before that, you had nothing. So for the BJP, that seems to
Sanjay,
be, I heard Mr. Yashwant Sinha today.
Sanjay, let me tell you, you're misrepresenting facts. You're misrepresenting the facts. You're misrepresenting the facts. Sanjay, you have come.
Find the file.
No, Sanjay. In January this year,
got nothing to hide at all.
No, okay, fine. So I don't take what you're saying at all at face value, because in January this year, the Coal Ministry deputed a joint secretary to help the CBI trace missing files, and there were 40 files which it had still got to get access to. And you will be happy to know, Sanjay Jha, that those files related to coal blocks allotted between 2006 and 2009. And that's what I'm talking about today. But in any case, since you threw the ball into Siddharth Singh's court, Siddharth, your response to Sanjay.
Well, let me just correct. The entire Colgate scam is related to 2005 onwards to 2010, 2011. Except that when the CBI filed an FIR, the government wanted to widen the period, so they got included from 1993 onwards to 2004. So let Mr. Jha know that the Colgate scam is 1.86 crore, which is being alleged, is related to that period, which is the UPA 1 and UPA 2. Now, please, Mr. Jha, I didn't interrupt. I expect the same courtesy from you. I expect the same courtesy from this gentleman.
No, I'm sorry. I will not allow you to try and mislead the nation.
Mr. Jha, if you will interrupt, Mr. Jha, you
186,000 crores is nothing. It's a figment of your wild imagination, and that has been questioned by us. There is no basis, and I can argue with you on any panel discussion that has no absolute sustenance at all. So please do not try and score
anyway, it's a figure not given by Siddharth. It is not of Mr. Jha. Now you can keep quiet. It is not a figure given by Mr. Siddharth Singh or the BJP. It's a figure which has been given by CAG. So let's hang on that and let's not debate on the figure and let's come on to the files now.
It is meant to be
and let's be focused in a debate.
By the way, was told by the Supreme Court.
Keep it to yourself that if it is a notional loss,
that there cannot be any
issue is something different, Mr. Jha.
To the coal allocations. It is not a coal scam. If there have been
Sanjay Jha, let him complete. Sanjay Jha, let him complete. Sanjay Jha, let him complete. Please, Sanjay Jha, let him complete. I like this moral.
What are we debating, Mr. Arnab Goswami?
No, okay, right. Sanjay, let him complete,
What are we debating, Mr. Arnab Goswami, as an
We are debating the missing files that the CBI is not getting its hands on, which the Coal Minister, Sri Prakash Jaiswal, told Times Now a month and a half back. He told us, where is the proof? When we put out a story. At that time, Jaiswal says, where is the proof the files are missing?
Thank you, Arnab.
That's what we are debating.
And I hope, thank you, Arnab, and I hope Mr. Sanjay Jha, spokesperson of Congress, is listening to the point or the debate topic today. Now, we come to a straight accusation. It's not an accusation, it's a charge. It's a conspiracy hatched by the Congress and the government and their officers to bail out the Prime Minister and there is nothing else, and therefore this conspiracy, because this scam goes right to the Prime Minister, it goes right to the coal ministers, it goes to various other ministers and MPs and their family members of the Congress, and that is why these files have gone missing. Now, if the Congress is serious or the government is serious, Arnab, there is something which is called file tracking system, which is computerized. Everybody has to sign, and it goes into a computer in any ministry, interrelating ministries. And on the basis of that, the last person who has signed, there should be an FIR against that person, and he should be held accountable.
Arnab, I want to respond to,
he should declare where the file has gone.
Sanjay, I'll come to you.
I think
I will.
There is nothing else, but there is a conspiracy.
You see, today I'm going to get to everyone, but because Sanjay, let's get everyone in. What you're trying to say, your basic line of argument is files are generally missing. So Sanjay Jha, is it that files are generally missing? 1 second, Sanjay. Recommendation made by Congress MP Vijay Dardha, forwarded by PMO, resulted in allocation of coal block for AMR Iron 2 is missing. Interestingly, Sanjay Jha, you'll be happy to know that AMR Iron has been named by the CBI in a FIR for misrepresentation of fact. Now, if that file were to come out, Sanjay Jha, then, it gives a totally different spin. Your PMO gets dragged in and questions will be asked, why was the PMO, being a post office for forwarding these recommendations by a Congress member of parliament? So are you trying to defend the PMO? Is in that context, Sanjay? That's the context of why you're trying to defend the PMO. You're trying to tell me the file suddenly went missing. It has nothing to do with the fact that the PMO had forwarded the letter? It was just circumstantial?
Let me tell you,
it was accidental?
Let me tell you, it's such a paradox, Arnab. It is so ironical that the Prime Minister took the initiative of competitive bidding.
Who forwarded?
It was the BJP state government which actually did not allow a political consensus to happen. That's the reason why there was a period of roughly 3 years before the bill could be passed in Parliament.
Please let
me just make a point.
No.
So the Prime Minister was pushing for transparency. Now, until the 3.5-year period happened, you still could not say that.
Let's be clear, Sanjay, that was pressing. No, 1 second, Sanjay, you must be clear. Sanjay, pressing for transparency is different from 1 minute. 1 minute to you. Pressing for transparency is not the same thing as getting transparency, right? MR Venkatesh. The argument being made here in defense of the Prime Minister by Sanjay Jha is the Prime Minister was pressing for transparency. Critics of the Prime Minister say he was pressing for transparency after the misdeeds had been done. What's your response? Sanjay, just hear from MR Venkatesh from Chennai.
Okay.
See, first we have to understand, this is a case of a missing Prime Minister, missing Finance Minister, missing Defence Minister, missing government in totally. So missing files is only an outcome of such malgovernance, misgovernance, be that as it may. I would tell you, burning files, missing files are the first resort of all scoundrels. This happens everywhere. In others, you had the entire building being burned to destroy evidence. Coming to this argument of Mr. Sanjay Jha, what he wants to tell us is that BJP's people were looting this country, and between 2004 and 2013, they had all the files, and they didn't want to take any action. And like some Rajput heroes of yesteryears, they were so chivalrous that they let these people go, little forgetting that they have a constitutional obligation of hanging, whether it was Shahnawaz Hussain or Uma Bharti, if they had been in the wrong. Now Sanjay Jha is forgetting this. I think it's well past 6 p.m. I think he's not sober. Last but not the least, if Prime Minister has brought in a system of transparency, where is the transparency? Please understand, the coal policy was about to be changed, but till 2011-12, this policy was not changed, and that is the fulcrum of the CAG's report on the coal block misallocation, if I may call it, and that, according to CAG, leads to a loss of revenue of 186,000 crores. Now, you may argue till the cows come home whether 186,000 crores is the correct figure or not. As a chartered accountant, I can bring you a figure of 4 lakh crores. Please understand that there can be different. You can have.
I want to argue that number out.
You have, but the.
No, we are not going to discuss the number. No, this is about numbers. This is about the ethics of it.
Arnab,
No, don't get into the numbers.
it's not the
The
numbers we are
constructive
arguing.
is-
We are
it's
arguing
important to
the
get
missing
into the
file.
numbers.
Numbers
That
have no
was
meaning.
Siddharth Singh
The-
tried
the
to
fraud
score
has a
a
meaning.
political point on Arnab.
Sir,
1
listen
minute.
to the argument.
Let me
It is
tell
the
you.
missing
Let me tell
files
you,
we
if
are
the
talking.
coal is under the
No,
ground,
no, one sec.
if the coal
ZC,
is
no,
under
no,
the
what-
ground, how is it a loss?
You,
No, no.
You
I want to
have
ask
a
a question to you.
Sanjay, let MR complete his
If the
argument.
coal is
Sanjay,
not
please understand,
excavated,
you
how
have
is it a
an-
loss?
You please
How is it a
understand.
loss? Let me ask
please
you the question.
understand.
Let me tell
if-
you, out of the 1 minute, let me ask you a
once-
question. First, listen
No,
to
no,
me
thank you for
before
trying to
give
be
me
the
an
anchor,
answer.
Sanjay, once
If the
again.
coal- if
Sanjay,
the
one sec.
coal has
Sanjay, 1
been
minute, please stop.
excavated,
Please, 1
how
minute.
is it
Sanjay,
a
I
loss?
want you to stop for a minute. Once. Mr. Sanjay, I am now going to make an observation. I fear you may not like it. Now, observation is this, that I think you are deliberately trying to move away from the subject of the discussion. Every time we discuss missing files,
I'm gonna
no,
answer all your
Sanjay,
questions.
Sanjay, what's it? Every time we talk, I can re-roll the tape. Every time we are talking missing files, you are saying CAG figure. Every time we're asking missing files, you are saying NDA record. Now, I just want to tell you, Sanjay Jha, please be clear, the Supreme Court of India, not Times Now, has been repeatedly asking your government to cooperate, to provide relevant documents to the government. In fact, in July, the Supreme Court pulled up your government, saying it cannot take recourse to the excuse that files are missing or have disappeared. The Supreme Court, Justice Lodha said, the CBI is struggling. The CBI of the country is struggling. Nothing is given to them. Sanjay Jha, you think the people of this country are not watching tonight? And I'm not asking you, what
Well,
are you
Arnab,
trying
at
to
least
do?
I'm glad.
No, what are you
At
trying? You
least
think
I'm
you can
glad
just
that
lock up the
today
files, it
even
goes
you are
missing.
agreeing.
It looks like a
1 minute.
bad Bollywood
Arnab,
script,
I'm answering
Sanjay.
your question.
On
I'm answering your question. At least you agree today,
Arnab.
and you yourself are doing that, and I'm glad so are the other panelists, that the CBI is working independently into investigating the CBI.
I have don't conclude for me. All I have said is you are not helping the CBI.
Nobody has commented on that.
Nobody has said that.
Let me answer. Number two, what makes you believe that when Mr. Jaiswal says that we will get the files, that if a file is missing, we will have to investigate, and there is somebody senior in the bureaucracy who is ensuring that if the file has gone to some other related department, whether it is Minister of Steel or Law.
Now let me tell. No, one sec. Now I want to read out a particular part where I find it difficult. You are making Sanjay. Let me tell you why you have made this a joke. You made this a joke, Sanjay. Your government has made this a joke.
Wait for the coal minister's statement.
I have the papers. Now I will put out a part of this investigation and then go to Vinod Mehta and ask him whether he's heard of anything like this before. One part of this, I have the office memorandum dated 29th of July 2013, Vinod Mehta. Listen to this, Mr. Mehta. It's remarkable how the government is making it difficult to get access to these files. Naresh Gujral, this will be of interest to you also. In the minutes of the meeting, it is said, Joint Secretary Kohl also raised the matter about the records of companies made for allocation of coal blocks are kept in the CIL office in Lakshmi Nagar, Delhi. Now listen to this. This is actually world class. It says the boxes in which these files are kept in a vertical position, and it will be difficult to open them. The boxes in which are kept in a vertical position, it will be difficult to open them. The Director Administration was asked to coordinate with the Coal India Limited office to keep all the boxes in a horizontal position in a proper sequence. This will facilitate the search for records.
Bizarre.
Sanjay, can you believe it? Can you yourself believe it? Vinod Mehta, what do you think? The government is saying because the boxes are in a vertical position, we can't pull out the files.
Well, Arnab, I mean, this is Guinness Book of Records. I mean, I can hear you can lose 1 file, 2 files, 4 files, 5 files. But how do you lose 157 files unless you've really tried to lose them? You know, I don't want to get into this BJP Congress debate, but listening to what you're saying and reading what is going on, it looks extremely suspicious from the Congress point of view, that these files are being, I mean, this is what it appears prima facie, that these files are being deliberately lost, information is being suppressed, etc., etc. And you know, in a kind of democracy, where anything is possible. You can lose something, you can find something. I mean, I suppose this is par for the course. But as you mentioned, this is a Supreme Court monitored investigation.
Yes,
so this
it is.
looking. I mean, I am a Congress. I am not hostile to the Congress. I am a friend of the Congress. But as a friend of the Congress, I am telling Mr. Sanjay Jha that this looks extremely bad.
Mr. Jha, hear this, please. This is Vinod Mehta, and he says he's openly saying he's been sympathetic to the Congress. He's telling you this. Let's get Naresh Gujral, and then, gentlemen, we are going to open this up for debate. Sanjay, I'm afraid it's going to be 1 versus 4 for you. I'll give you equal opportunity, but after listening to Naresh Gujral. Naresh Gujral, what do you make of the defense? Because the one line of defense, the only line of defense of Sanjay Jha on Newshour tonight is this, that the files which are missing are also from an NDA period. That's it. He's been repeating this since the beginning of the debate. Your response to it?
Let's retrace the sequence of events. When the CAG broke the story or the scam, first congressmen collectively started to abuse him. They said there was no scam. In fact, the finance minister said coal is still under the Mother Earth, if you remember. Then Supreme Court steps in and they direct CBI to investigate. CBI says we are not getting the files from the Ministry of Coal. And now it transpires that the files go missing. Now obviously the needle of suspicion can point only in 3 directions. Either the beneficiaries, or the screening committee members, or the coal minister, or the PMO. Only these 3 parties have something to hide. So in this case, suddenly the files go missing, and there is that Hindi saying, "Na hoga bans, na bajegi bansuri." So this is exactly what is happening now.
No, what are you saying? You're saying the government has burned the files, has made them go missing? No, no,
all the evidence is erased.
What are you saying? You're saying they've erased the documents. They've removed the documents from scrutiny. Is that what you're saying?
They have erased them.
Why would they do
Files
that?
have gone missing.
No, why would they do that? Because the court has said...
Because they have something to hide. The
No.
whole world knows that.
No, because the court has said...
Favoritism was showed. Cronies were given these coal blocks for a consideration. So obviously they have something to hide. And now that the Supreme Court is breathing heavy over their necks, they have no choice but to erase all evidence.
Don't you realize, Sanjay Jha, this is going to blow in your face all over again? Your government's actions are anyway viewed with skepticism in this case. Because A, there is a history of files going missing. You had a law minister who had to resign because he made changes to the CBI status report. At that time also questions were raised about how involved the PMO was. The changes were not innocuous changes, Sanjay Jha, like your government made it seem. There were changes in critical aspects of the coal investigations. So look here, Sanjay Jha, you try and change the facts of the investigation. You mess around with the CBI status report. You erase the documents. You say the files have gone missing. The Supreme Court of India is furious with you. Why on earth, Mr. Jha, are you doing this? The more you do this, the greater the suspicion will be that many big fish, really big fish may be involved, which is why you're going all out to cover your tracks.
Well,
Whose tracks are you covering?
Let me tell you, Arnav.
Whose tracks are you covering, Mr. Jha?
Let me tell you that on the floor of the Parliament, the Prime Minister himself said that we will have a completely fair, transparent, independent inquiry into it, and that's exactly what's happening. Even as we talk, some of India's high-profile corporates are being investigated, including one of our own MPs. So please, in terms of transparency...
That's not an act of charity, Mr. Jha. That's not an act of charity.
1 minute. We are allowing the law to take its own course. Point number 2.
Well, are you saying that you have a choice not to let the law take its own course? Is that a favor?
No, 1 minute.
Is that a favor you are doing?
Gujral made a comment about a screening
What do you mean by saying we are allowing the law to take
point.
its own course?
No. Let me tell you, we are. That's precisely the point, because this is
How will-
the cynicism that we want to really obliterate. The government is upholding the highest standards here of allowing the law, the CBI, the police, whatever, to ask the toughest of questions. I mean, where is?
But
any
it's
debate
no
on that?
use.
The point that
It's
Mr.
no
Gujral
use. No
made
questions
was
can
about
be
the
asked.
screening committee.
Mr. Jha, you know, you are an
Mr.
intelligent man. You know that no
Arnab,
investigation
Arnab,
can happen. Can any investigation happen without the facts? You don't have access to the
Well,
records of
let
the
me-
screening committee and the
there is
applications
a
of the
very
private
critical
committees.
point.
One second. Access to records of screening committee, applications of private companies is important. That is the only way we can have an insight into the reasons for the allotment and non-allotment of blocks. And the accusation against your government is that you were allotting the blocks in an arbitrary manner, allegedly for private consideration. If you take away the reasons, Mr. Jha, what are we left with? This investigation becomes a sham. An absolute and utter sham.
Well, let me tell you, the CBI is monitoring it under Supreme Court orders, and we will find a very logical and a true conclusion to it. 1 minute, I want to respond to what
No, but
Mr.
M.R.
Gujral
Venkatesh
said.
wants to counter
He
you.
said the beneficiaries could be members of the screening committee.
Siddharth also wants to counter you.
Committee, Arnab, screening committee has a representation from various ministries, and most important of all, the Chief Secretary of the State. And the coal allocations, Arnab, have been given in almost majority, if not all the cases, to the recommendations given by the state government. And the state governments of the BJP and the opposition, like the BJD in Odisha and the left.
Sir, you say, no, one second. Sir, you say, by this logic, I'm very sorry to make this comparison, but I will do this also today. By this logic, Suresh Kalmadi why did your government, when it was investigating, get into the CWG office, seal it, take away the sensitive documents, and ensure that Suresh Kalmadi had no access to them? What if Suresh Kalmadi, Sanjay Jha, just tell me on this, what if Suresh Kalmadi had said, oh, dear CBI, I'm really sorry, but everything has just gone missing? What if Suresh Kalmadi had said, I'm very sorry, but all the files have gone missing?
And Suresh Kalmadi went to jail for a considerable period. That's a separate issue.
Again, because he was exposed by Times Now, not because of your independent efforts.
Beneficiaries in coal allocations were all those who were recommended by the BJP government. Just because this has happened...
Two counters.
1 minute. Just because the Prime Minister was a coal minister for a period of time, the BJP has been trying to make political capital out of it.
Where is the political... Leave the politics out of it, Sanjay Jha. Files have gone missing in a big scam. Files have gone missing in a big scam. Where's the question of the politics? I'm not interested in your politics. I'm only asking you. I'm not interested in your politics. I am asking you. I am asking you. You cannot take recourse to this pathetic excuse that files have gone missing or have disappeared. Two counters coming your way.
No, we are not saying that.
First from M.R. Venkatesh, then from Siddharth Nath Singh. M.R. Venkatesh put his hand up first. Mr. Venkatesh. Mr. Venkatesh.
Arnab, if Jha would permit me.
Yeah, go ahead.
Arnab, if Mr. Jha would permit me, let me remind him.
We are at the moment talking at a halfway stage. Please, I'm just making one statement, Siddharth, and then it's all yours. I'm just saying the coal minister, please allow him to make a statement. And at this moment of time, let me reassure everybody who's hearing this channel that the government will submit all the files the moment it is able to find whichever files are not there. But it is also important to mention that 160 of the files which are missing, which have been asked by the CBI, unfortunately, CAG did not cover the pre-2004 phase for reasons best known to CAG.
So what?
But those are files that are now being looked at by CBI.
You may have made those files also go missing. You may have made those files go missing in order to make your deliberate attempt to hide your. Now you must allow me to speak, Sanjay. Sanjay, you see.
Let me tell you, I can also say though the files perhaps never existed. I don't know.
Sanjay, how do I know? How do I know? I see conspiracies everywhere. How do I know you've not deliberately put away those NDA government files so that nobody can ask you that only your files are missing? So, this is the biggest cover-up going on before all the people of this country, and let them see and let the Supreme Court decide what it wants to do. M.R. Venkatesh is responding. M.R. Venkatesh is responding to you.
I agree with you.
M.R. Venkatesh.
Arnab, listen, this scam of Colgate also mirrors the 2G spectrum scam in the sense when Mr. Jha asked me this point, that the coal is still under the mother earth. Where is it being excavated? So there is no loss. But little did he forget, when people got the coal allocation, they sold off their shares at a healthy premium and made enormous money. This is one thing that the government should have put an end to. They should have said, if I allocate to X, X must excavate, X must put it to use, not sell his shares and make a windfall profit. This is what happened with Swan.
Can you
This is
give me
what
an
happened with
example of
others
one
in the
company
2G
whose
case.
stock
This-
price moved up and who sold the stocks? 1 minute, don't make wild allegations. Give me the name of one company whose market valuations went up post it and it sold the stocks. Give me the name of one company, Mr. Venkatesh. Don't make wild allegations.
Mr.
Give me the
Jha,
name of
we
one
exposed
company.
this
Because
in times now.
I have the statistical data of all the companies that have been
giving
given
you-
allocations, and I want to know, I can also tell you whose share price accelerated ahead and who sold it off to make any kind of a capital gain. But tell me, which company are you alleging at the moment?
PIPDIC got coal allocation. It made allocation to certain DMK party men, and those people in turn sold off the shares. This was very clearly exposed by Times Now and myself in a show with Arnab Goswami was there. I think you have forgotten this. There were enormous amount of sale of shares happening. Several of these have to be investigated also. You have not. That is the reason why this coal has not been excavated. Instead, trading on the coal blocks have been happening. That is the crux of the problem. That is the
Mr.
crux of the
Venkatesh,
scam.
the coal
That is
has
No,
where
not
we
been
have to
no,
get
no, one
into.
sec. Now,
Because of land
Siddharth Nath Singh.
problems,
You see,
because of environmental clearances, that is the main reason.
Arnab.
It's been blocked on account of certain
Arnab.
red
No.
tape.
You should have
No,
got
Mr.
the
Jha.
No, this is so transparent. No, one sec. Sanjay Jha, don't try and set the terms of this debate. Sanjay Jha, 1 minute. 1 minute. Siddharth, before I come to you, I want to just tell you, Sanjay Jha, in September
I wish we can remain
2012,
focused.
in September 2012, Coal Ministry told the PSE, we do not have a full record of the meetings of the screening committee which allocated coal blocks, explaining why hundreds of applications were rejected and some were preferred. What you are doing today by saying these files have gone missing is saying the people of this country will never know the truth of why some people got coal blocks and why some people were rejected coal blocks. And I think that's going to
will
be
know.
criminal in
They
the
will
course
know,
of this
Arnab.
investigation. There is
No,
some
they
ethics
will
that you
know,
will have to
Arnab.
follow in
I
this. I
tell
think
you.
Sri Prakash Jaiswal,
Arnab,
Sri
they
Prakash
will know
Jaiswal,
that
who likes to
companies-
show his
the
aggressiveness with
companies-
reporters, you can't carry out this cover up. Siddharth Nath Singh is responding.
India will know, of course they will know.
Siddharth
The
Nath
companies
Singh.
are being
Arnab,
investigated, not a single
Arnab, let me
company
make
is
two
there.
quick points. Arnab, please remember, a minister lost his job because of interfering in the affidavit. What was he interfering, and which is that file which is missing? He interfered that non-preparation, he deleted that word, non-preparation of charts and sheets of the screening committee. That is the file which is missing. Now let me come on the second. I'm joining the dots also because let it be a serious debate. You refer to AMR, Iron and Steel. That relates to Vijay Darda's letter recommendation of 2008-2009 when they were given. Mr. Sri Prakash Jaiswal became an arbitrator. There is a letter of Manoj Jaiswal which says very clearly that for the AMR coal block which was allotted because of the help of the Vijay Darda, a quid pro quo of 26% was to be given. All these files are missing. This establishes the scam. And the people who are involved,
Well, let me-
including the
Siddharth
Prime
Nath Singh.
Minister's office
Siddharth
and the
Nath
coal
Singh,
minister.
are you aware of
So
the
let's
fact-
focus
are
on
you
that,
aware of
and
the
these are
fact
the
that the
files which are
Chhattisgarh
missing,
government-
and not what Mr.
that the
Sanjay Jha is trying to
Chhattisgarh
throw
government
around
gave
and
a
create
coal
another
allocation to a
conspiracy.
company
The
with
conspiracy
a
is
share
straight to
capital
save the
of-
Prime
Don't
Minister.
speak over each other.
1 minute. Let me tell you, Siddharth Nath Singh
Mr.
giving a
Jha,
sanctimonious
Mr.
lecture
Jha,
is a
I
little-
think Congress
little
must,
hard for me
Mr.
to
Rahul
digest.
Gandhi should
But
train
let me
Congress
tell you
spokesperson not to speak when others are
85%.
speaking.
Sanjay Jha, let
That's
him
the first
complete.
lesson you should be giving now.
Don't worry, listen to me. We have been asked to speak the truth, so we are speaking the truth, Siddharth Nath Singh. Don't worry about
No,
it.
you
And
listen
don't
now,
worry
Mr.
about my
Jha,
relationship
and
with
you
the
listen as a
party.
Congress
The truth
spokesperson.
is 85% of the coal
No,
allocations
you
were
must.
done
That
under
is
your
the lesson
government
you
in
all
the
must
BJP
learn now.
government. So let me tell you,
I don't
majority
understand.
of the beneficiaries
Sanjay, you've been
are
saying-
your recommendations.
Sanjay, I just let's bring it down to basics, Sanjay. Okay, see, I think you and I are totally at odds on this one, Because from the start, you've been saying that, by the way, we got your files missing also. Now, if the BJP leaders are happy
I'm
that you
saying
got
you
that.
will get to know the
Now, Sanjay, you're going to
balance
speak
files as well.
over me. You're not going to let me speak. You must understand, Sanjay Jha. And Vinod Mehta, I'm coming to you. Vinod Mehta is looking increasingly disconcerted at this debate. The point is this, Vinod Mehta, that, the whole coal scam rests on the fact.
Clueless.
No, the whole
and comes
coal
with a
scam.
senseless mind
No,
on the debate.
let's not. The whole coal scam rests on one fact, that there was something wrong with the screening process, that it was preference, corruption, nepotism, and certainly not merit. That is all that this was about. I think, Sanjay Jha, you're forgetting that.
Well, I think Arnab, because there is so much argument and counter-argument, the best thing would be for the Supreme Court to ask the CBI to give them as affidavit saying, are you getting the cooperation or not? Are you getting the files or not? And they should also ask the Attorney General to make a clear and unambiguous statement about these files, which period, whether they are going to find them. I mean, Sanjay is saying that they are lost, but they will be found. I find this very strange. If they are lost, how can he be sure so that they will be found? I mean, but I think this matter must go beyond debates, and the Supreme Court must
missing, it does not mean they're lost.
No, Sanjay, how do you know they will be found if they are lost?
Doesn't mean it's a lost file. And sometimes, let me tell you, sometimes if a file cannot be, I mean, I'm at the moment talking on my own, if a file, and very often it happens even in companies, if a file for some reason is destroyed or is not existing or somebody can't trace it, you have a trail, you have transactions, you have office notifications to recreate it. As long as the CBI is investigating that and it's happening under
How
the
do you
Supreme
recreate
Court,
it? For God's sake, Sanjay, what are you saying? God's sake, so Naresh Gujral.
Create an old file, Sanjay. Sanjay, you don't recreate what has been happened on the file. What's
you
wrong
don't
with you?
understand. Well,
You are coming with some logic. I don't know where you are coming
Can I
from.
explain? It's not a dumb logic,
You
my
don't
dear friend.
recreate
The logic is
files, my
very
dear,
simple.
by writing or overwriting them.
If there is a correspondence, if there are circulars, if there are instructions, and they are scattered in different places, you assemble them together. That's what a file is about.
Sanjay, don't mind.
As long as the CBI is satisfied.
Sanjay, 1 minute. Siddharth, 1 minute. Siddharth, 1 minute. Sanjay, 1 minute.
The coal ministry, which is called file tracking system.
Who does?
Go and see who is the last person.
On the government.
Make him accountable.
The government has to satisfy the CBI and the Supreme Court, which it will do. Don't worry about that. We have to respond to the CBI.
See,
we have to respond to the
obviously,
Supreme
then you are a wrong
Court.
person to be here to satisfy Mr. Arnab Goswami.
No, my question is, Sanjay, you sacked your law minister? Remember, some time back, your law minister had to resign because he was trying to make changes in the CBI status report.
I think we upheld some very high standards.
Yeah, well, that's all right. That may be I would say you were caught red-handed. I would say you were caught red-handed. But in any case,
that's your perspective.
I don't know if you're upholding high standards by being caught red-handed, because that would be very perverse logic. My question is very simply this. What are you doing with Mr. Jaiswal? I mean, initially, Mr. Jaiswal's observations, even to cynics, sounded a little funny. But I'm sorry, Naresh Gujral, does anybody today find Sri Prakash Jaiswal funny? He constitutes a committee to look into, he sets up an inter-ministerial panel to look into the issue of missing files. And so far, that inter-ministerial panel has had one meeting. I mean, this is Jaiswal trying to find the longest road out of the situation. Naresh Gujral, inter-ministerial committee is set up to look into the missing files of Colgate, has had one meeting. It's been over a year. What does that tell you?
Arnab, congressmen are very honorable people and the whole nation believes that. So I have no reason to disagree with the nation. When Mr. Jha or the minister says that he will get to the bottom of the situation and they will find the files, I accept it. But will they give a specific date by which date they will find these files?
Absolutely.
And if these files are not found by that date, then how do we proceed further? Will they also let the nation know about that?
What's your deadline, sir, to find the files, Sanjay Jha? Don't we deserve a deadline?
Let me tell you that.
Don't we deserve a deadline?
I started by talking about. Now, I'm answering your question. When I started by telling you about the 157 missing files under the NDA BJP regime,
What's
you
your
segregated that. I think that government here. Let me tell you, the CBI is investigating. From the CAG report was when the UPA came into government. But the CBI is investigating since 1993. And therefore, this is the critical point that I'm trying to talk here. The missing files is not just about UPA or concentrating today on the UPA. It's about the entire period. And that includes time.
So you
when we
learned
were
from
not
the
in
NDA.
government.
No,
And
you
the
learned from the
and
NDA.
the NDA
No, you
files
learned
are
from the
part of
NDA. Then let's get it right.
responsibility
Siddharth Singh, no,
of
1
Mr.
minute.
Jaiswal.
What Sanjay Jha is
So
saying
Mr.
today,
Siddharth Singh cannot
what Sanjay
dodge
Jha
it.
is saying,
And let me
Siddharth
tell
Nath
you,
Singh,
Arnab,
is
the
that
truth
is that the art of
whole
missing
allocations
files?
were made in a very ad
No,
hoc
it's
manner
fine.
earlier.
Sanjay, I understand what you're saying. You're saying that the art of making files go missing, we have picked up from the NDA. So I want Siddharth Nath Singh to respond. The art of files going missing has been learnt as part of an evolutionary process in government by the UPA from the NDA. Last word to Siddharth Nath Singh.
Arnab, you can't have bizarre, illogical statements coming from Congress and to believe them. The files, if they are missing, relates to the entire scam.
No, but
I
what
have
about
just
your
highlighted
files?
two of them, which is
No,
one
Siddharth,
is
but
Vijay
what about
Darda.
your files,
The
Siddharth?
second one is relating to the screening committee. They all go down to the Prime Minister.
No, I'm just
and
curious.
that is what they are
It is
trying
not-
to
what
say.
about your
If
file?
there is a file which is missing and it is where the BJP
No, but how can it be?
feels
You know,
there is a conspiracy of the BJP
Siddharth,
to do it,
Siddharth,
then please,
Siddharth,
it is your government,
Siddharth,
your CBI,
Siddharth,
your
today
investigative
your
agency, go ahead
party,
and
today
inquire
your
into
party,
it. But you will not get anything out
today
of
your
it.
party described, please, Siddharth, today your party described these questions about missing files in your period as humbug. Now, all viewers on Newshour know one thing, that you and the Congress increasingly don't share much in common, right? You don't share much. How come both sides share one thing in common? The art of making files go missing in the coal ministry? Where are your files?
Which miss, Arnab, here we are talking about a scam and I don't know which,
No,
we
the
are
files-
getting
no,
into
the files
missing
that went
files
missing- the
during
files
our
that went
period
missing-
which relates to coal. I don't know, I don't even know which files you are
the
referring
files
to.
that went missing between the 1995 to 2005 period, in between which 8
But
years
it
you
is,
were- Where are
Arnab,
those
they are
files?
going missing during when the government is of UPA.
No, but why did they go
They have
missing
gone
when the
missing
government
when
was
it
of
is
the
the government
NDA?
of UPA.
Why did the NDA government lose the files as well? Just tell me simply. I don't understand this. You're very careless people.
Where did we lose it?
You
It
lost
is
the
their
file.
government which is in...
Can I just intervene?
It is their government.
Arnab.
Vinod
And
Mehta was
therefore, Arnab,
Vinod
again
Mehta.
and again I am
Arnab.
repeating. I am
Arnab.
repeating one thing in which
Vin-
you are
Vinod
not.
Mehta.
There is a file tracking system.
So
Go into that.
Arnab.
and you will
Vinod
see
Mehta.
the
Very
files
funny.
when missing.
Vinod Mehta.
Was it a NDA period?
Arnab.
It was a UPA period.
Vinod Mehta.
Arnab, this is very funny. There are two sets of people who have lost files. One set of files was lost by the NDA.
No, sorry, Mr. Mehta.
One set of files
Mr.
was
Mehta,
lost
the
by
files
the
have gone
UPA.
missing now.
I mean,
Nobody has a proof
this
that they went missing when we were
No,
in
no,
the
I'm
government.
saying that
Mr. Mehta,
I'm saying
no
this is
proof
a joke.
that the files went missing when we were
absolutely
in the
this is a
government.
joke.
Well, I don't know. I think both
No,
the Congress.
it is a joke which the Congress is doing.
Well, I don't know. I think the joke is on the nation.
Arnab, you're twisting the whole game today.
I am not. First of all,
You're
for me, it's
twisting
not
the
a
whole
game. I
and
take
Mr.
objection.
Vinod Mehta being,
It's not a game. I'm behind all my
charitable to the
sarcasm and
Congress is accepting the twist and the spin.
Behind all my sarcasm and
No, I'm
cynicism,
sorry.
I am
You
deeply
cannot twist.
sad.
Where is the proof the file went missing during my period?
Well, so you're saying they made your files go missing after you
You
went?
don't have it.
Why would they do you such a favor? Why would they make your files go missing?
Why don't you? Why, Mr. Arnab Goswami, Arnab Goswami, why you are not referring and answering what I have been raising some speaking? There is a file tracking system. Why don't we go to the file tracking system and the government
Well,
answer, which is the year when the files of 1993
You see-
The file tracking
2005
system is
went
Arnab.
missing?
The
Yes,
file
Vinod
tracking
Mehta.
system is lost. The file tracking system is lost.
Well, I don't know.
Let the government answer.
You
not
see,
BJP.
the answer is simple. Sanjay Jha
Let
has
the
no
government answer,
response.
Mr. Mehta.
Sanjay Jha has no response
Not
because
BJP.
because Sanjay Jha knows that if you want to trace the files, you'll go through the file tracking system. If you don't want to trace the files, you will make Sri Prakash Jaiswal constitute an interministerial panel, have one meeting a year, and continue to evade all the questions. And I think the government has gone for the
Arnab, let
second
me
option,
assure
right,
you.
Sanjay?
No, Arnab, let me assure you that at this point of time, the government is extremely keen to make
Arnab,
sure
I'm
that
sorry, I have
everything
to
is
leave
above
for-
board.
Well.
We have, let me tell you, we have taken the
Get the
maximum
files
hit.
out.
I think the UPA
Pull out
government
the
has taken
files.
a maximum hit on all these CAG reports. We want to make sure that we come clean. And at this point of time, the CBI is investigating
your
it.
efforts-
We will see the truth, and we will actually see it in broad daylight.
Well, your
So
efforts
let me
will amount
assure
to
you,
nothing if
there
you
are
can't
missing
find the files.
Whatever is missing will be, whatever information is required by the CBI
Your-
will be provided to it.
your
I think
efforts-
Just have a patience for a day. I think you will hear the coal minister's statement tomorrow.
I want you to find each and every file, Mr. Sanjay Jha, and I know that where there is a will, there is a way. We'll track the story, whether or not you follow and track the files. Thank you very much for joining me on the News Hour. Thank you.